You will look at toothpaste differently by the end of this video. Imagine brushing your teeth with burnt eggshells. That was the reality 5,000 years ago. Ancient Egyptians knew how to keep their teeth clean, but they lacked minty freshness, until the Romans crafted toothpaste with crushed bones and shells. Fast forward to the 18th century, Europeans used tooth powders with baking soda, leading to today's toothpaste innovation. But when did mint come into play? In the 1800s, enterprising Americans mixed mint flavor with mass-produced toothpaste, revolutionizing oral hygiene. The inventiveness didn't stop there. Fluoride was introduced in the 1950s, strengthening teeth and fighting cavities. And now, cutting-edge toothpaste includes technologies like whitening agents and stabilizing polymers. Therefore, from rudimentary powders to sophisticated gels, toothpaste's transformation has kept us smiling through millennia.